How much you had to drink today?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
I had one drink earlier.
Yeah. You turn and face me just so I can see your eyes?
Yes, sir.
And if he gets in any trouble...
Yeah, now he's awake. This is the most awake I've seen him.
Okay, I appreciate it. Hey, what's going on?
What's up?
Hey, Deputy Korean Sheriff's Office. Because you're in custody right now.
I'm not in custody. Yeah, but I'm in custody.
Case law enforcement officer arrested for OVI and OWI incident. 1 Ohio, OVI stop date unspecified location. Northeast Ohio, incident 2, the 18th of July, 2025, 8:30 a.m. Monroe County, Michigan, subject deputy Kristen Matazoy. Lucas County Sheriff's Office, Ohio outcome BAC. Exceeded 4 times the legal limit. Resigned the 1st of August, 2025.
License plate's been up. Okay, I'm gonna go run your driver's license. I'll be right back. All right, sir, here's all this back. This registration is for a pickup. It's not for this car.
No, I have a registration. That's why, because I had, it was an accident. Because I did.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, you can take all this back. I'm going to hang on to your ID. How much you had to drink today?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
I had one drink earlier.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not a big deal, so...
It's not a big deal? Okay, well...
No, sir. I'm sorry. I shouldn't say it's not a big deal.
Okay. Well, I got 2 separate complaints about your driving. You say you're driving recklessly in and out of traffic, and one of them was actually from one of my other officers down the road. And then the second one was from a second caller. That's the reason why I pulled you over. They gave a description of your car and license plate. And just talking to you here, I can tell you're under the influence. So I'm going to come around the other side, Chris. I'm going to have you hop out of the car for me. I'm going to do field sobriety, okay?
You can't do it.
You can't do what?
My knees.
Okay, do your knees affect your eyes at all?
Yeah.
Oh, they do? No, I can't take you home, Chris.
Dude, I am not dumb.
You're what?
I'm not dumb. Well, I'll just go on the side of the road and I'll wait for my pickup.
Okay.
Not dumb.
Okay, I want you to get out of the car and come and stand in front of my car. What's that?
No, sir.
I'm sorry, what's fine?
No, I'm not. I am obliging with you. Hold on.
Okay, go ahead and hop out for me then.
Yeah? Yes, sir.
Okay, come on.
Take it out.
What?
Dude.
Come on. Just spin around real quick. I know since you keep saying you're an officer, I want to make sure you're not carrying a gun, okay?
I'm not carrying.
Okay, well, I just want to make sure for my peace of mind, all right?
Just keep my hands on your hands right here, all right, bud?
Come on. I don't want to wait here.
Any reason why your pants are on backwards? What's that? All right. What you do is walk back in front of my car there, stay close to the berm so we're not in traffic, okay, Chris?
I'm going to hold traffic here until we get over there safely.
Okay. Here, right over here. You turn and face me just so I can see your eyes?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Just stand with your feet together and your hands down at your sides. Just stand still. Feet together, all the way together. You see my finger okay? No?
Oh, because my knees are bad.
What? I don't need you to move.
No,
I don't need you to move. I need you to stand still.
I know, but my knees are bad, so.
Okay, would you rather sit down?
No.
Yeah.
No, that's fine, dude. You guys.
What's your name, buddy?
Matazuski.
What's your first name?
Chris.
Hey, Chris?
Yeah.
We all want the same thing here. We want you to sit down, keep your hands out there.
It's fine.
You want them in the back seat?
Yeah, why don't you just sit in the back seat if your knees are bad?
My knees are always bad. I'm not going to the back seat, so.
Okay, stand together with your feet then. Look at my finger. Can you follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only? Just don't move your head. Just follow my finger. You're looking at my face. Watch my. You see my finger? Okay, just follow my finger. You know, walk and turn in one leg stand test. You want to try either one of those with your bad knees?
I won't. Because of my knees, so no, I won't.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. OVI, Chris.
No.
No, we're not. Chris, doing a good job listening. Now don't stop.
You're not under arrest for operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, drug, or a combination of them, operating a vehicle under the influence of a illicit controlled substance or illicit metabolite of a controlled substance, operating a vehicle after underage alcohol consumption, or having physical control of the vehicle while under the influence. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately. Are you willing to take that test? No. Okay, and I'll do the paperwork for refusal, and you'll get your citation, your copy of this 2255 once it's filled out. You'll get a court date for Monday, and we'll call Jeff to come pick you up, okay? And come on out. I just have one thing to ask of you.
Yes, sir.
Don't make a fool out of me for not towing your car.
That's fine.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We're doing you a favor by not towing your car, allowing your dad to drive it back. So don't hop in there and drive it again.
No, I'm not doing it because they're going to kill me anyways.
Here's the keys. Here's the keys to the Charger. I don't know what those keys are for.
No, they're for my apartment.
I want the apartment keys too. You're not going to your apartment.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. Can't leave you there. You're coming home with us. So in front of these two guys, you have your choice. You either turn those keys over to me, or you can go to jail.
Looks like a good
One or
choice
the
there.
other.
I think he's giving you the keys.
That's your choice. And,
Okay.
and if he gets me in any trouble that he's leaving my house, I'm calling you guys.
Yeah, now he's awake. This is the most awake I've seen him.
Okay.
He's been napping.
I appreciate it. Hey, what's going on?
What's up?
Hey, I'm Deputy Crane Sheriff's Office.
Yeah.
How are you?
Fine.
What's going on? You're just sitting in the road.
I know. Just want to go to bed.
You just want to go to bed? Okay. Where are you coming from?
Just let me go.
Just let you go? What do you mean just let you go?
I'll let you go.
You'll let me go?
Yeah.
I don't understand what you mean.
Oh, just let me go. God. Just let me go.
What's going on today?
Nothing.
Okay. Can you shut the car off for me?
Sure.
Okay. Can you shut it off? Alrighty. So, where are you headed to?
Nowhere.
You're not headed anywhere.
No.
Where are you coming from?
Nowhere.
Okay.
So,
How much you had to drink today?
nowhere.
Nowhere?
Nope.
Okay. You got your ID on you?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Just let me go.
You having trouble finding it?
It's not that.
Well, what is it?
Just it's not even finding it. It's just, sir. Oh.
Just your driver's license. That's all I need.
Yep. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
I just didn't do anything wrong here.
Thank you. All right. Kristen?
Yes.
All right. So, you said you haven't had anything to drink today?
No.
Would you take any prescription medications?
No.
Take care. Any illegal drugs?
No.
Do you need any medical attention?
No.
All right, Kristen, hop out the car for me.
Yeah. So,
You can't?
because of my knee.
What's wrong with your knee?
So, I have a bad knee.
You have a bad knee?
So, yeah.
Okay. You're good. Do you got any weapons on you?
No.
Okay, do you mind if I just pat you down real quick? Kristen, Kristen, face me. Okay. So you said you don't have any medical conditions?
No.
Okay. What's going on with your knee? Kristen, face me. Face me. Look at me.
Because my knee is fucked up.
Okay. Well, real quick, I'm gonna run you through a couple evaluations. Make sure you're gonna drive. Okay.
No, I'm not. So you win. So
You're refusing any sobriety testing. Okay. So you're hang on, Kristen.
don't
So
take me to the county.
okay. So you're refusing any sobriety testing.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, turn around. Put your hands on your back.
Don't do that. Just don't take me to the county.
Okay.
Don't take me to the county.
Do you know where you're at right now?
No.
You're in Michigan.
I have no idea.
All right. Hey, Kristen. Michigan law requires that you submit to a preliminary breath analysis upon request by a peace officer. Your refusal to submit will result in a civil infraction up to a $100 fine. Okay, do you understand that? Will you do a preliminary breath test for me?
No.
Okay. So you understand you're going to get a $100 fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Just put me where I'm supposed to be.
I get it. We got to do
supposed to be. So
we got to do this breath test first, though. We still got a couple more minutes.
I'm not doing it.
So now you're refusing?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to read you this one more time. Just so you understand.
Go over everything.
So I am a peace officer.
I know what you are. So.
You are under arrest for the offense of operating a vehicle while intoxicated due to the consumption of alcoholic liquor, a controlled substance, other intoxicating substance, or a combination.
All right.
I am requesting that you take a chemical test to check for alcohol and/or controlled substances or other intoxicating substances in your body.
Yes,
Okay, so you understand if you refuse this breath test, then I'm going to get a court order and we're going to go to the hospital and we're going to do a blood test. Do you understand that? And you understand that your license is going to be suspended for and the addition of 6 points to your driving record.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you refusing to take a breath test?
Yes, sir.
You're refusing for the breath test.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I gotta put you back in handcuffs because we're going back to the hospital, okay?
Why are we going back to the hospital?
Because I'm gonna get a court order and we're gonna do a blood test.
Okay. So you're gonna be an ass.
No, I've been nothing but polite, kind, and courteous to you.
But you've been an ass. So that's fine.
You're gonna stay in handcuffs until the blood draw, okay?
Legal draw?
Thanks.
Alrighty, I'm gonna roll you this way.
Nope. I don't want anything from you because I'm writing a report, so.
Okay, you're gonna get a ball on your own?
Yeah? Nope. I'm not doing anything.
You do not want my assistance, just to confirm.
What the fuck, dude? You couldn't even fucking take the cuffs off.
Because you're in custody right now.
I'm not in custody. Yeah, fine. I'm in custody. But. And you're hurting me. Bad.
Do you want me to help you up or not?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you roll my direction.
Yeah.
Put your legs up. And I'm gonna have you just sit.
Oh! Ready? Come on, dude. It's fucked up, man.
Are you good to try and stand up?
No, I'm not.
Do you want us to help you up?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1,
One,
2, 3. He'll be released.
Yeah.
How long is that for?
Yeah, maybe put your...
So you'll have to blow into a preliminary breath test once you get to the jail. Then they have a chart, depending on where you blow, how long it'll take.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 11968. A lawful investigative stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. 2 independent complaints, including one from a fellow officer on scene, satisfy and substantially exceed this constitutional threshold. The stop was valid under Fourth Amendment analysis. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 1061977. An officer conducting a lawful traffic stop may order the driver to exit the vehicle as a matter of course. No individualized justification is required beyond the lawfulness of the stop itself. NHTSA standardized field sobriety test battery horizontal gaze nystagmus requires no physical locomotion. 3 or more HGN clues correlate with BAC at or above 8 inches, approximately 88% of cases. A claimed physical injury does not exempt a subject from HGN evaluation. Ohio. Revised Code Section 4511.191 Implied consent drivers. Impliedly consent to chemical testing upon OVI arrest. A first refusal triggers a 1-year administrative license suspension, documented on BMV Form 2255, effective immediately. This is an administrative penalty independent of any criminal charge. South Dakota v. Neville, 459, U.S. 553-1983. Refusal to submit to a blood alcohol test is not protected by the Fifth Amendment privilege against self-incrimination. Evidence of refusal is admissible at trial and may be presented as consciousness of guilt. Michigan compiled laws, Section 257, 625A, and Section 257, 625C. Preliminary breath test refusal is a civil infraction, maximum fine $100. Formal implied consent refusal after OWI arrest triggers 6 license points, and the refusal itself becomes admissible evidence at trial. These are 2 legally distinct instruments with different consequences. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 579 U.S. 4, 382016. Missouri v. McNeely, 569 U.S. 14, 12013. Warrantless breath tests, incident to arrest, are constitutionally permissible. Warrantless blood draws are not. A court order is required. Natural dissipation of alcohol alone does not constitute exigency under McNeely. A warrantless blood draw would expose the prosecution to suppression. Michigan compiled laws, Section 257, 6251C. Enhanced OWI. A BAC of 17 or higher triggers super drunk penalties, maximum 180 days. Incarceration fines up to $700. 1-year license suspension and mandatory alcohol treatment. A BAC exceeding 4 times the 8 threshold places this case well within the enhanced statutory category. Lessons learned. A sworn law enforcement officer holds no immunity from OVI or OWI enforcement. Knowledge of arrest procedure does not substitute for compliance with the law. Repeated impaired driving by a peace officer compounds constitutional violations, creates agency liability, and constitutes a fundamental breach of professional oath. Equal application of law applies without exception to those who enforce it.